Juzo, I'm trying to film something. Can I help you? Oh my gosh. There we go. Hello, friends, and welcome to another video. So today is a rather exciting video because I am leaving to go on a little excursion. I am going to a place called Hakuba, which is, why do I have a side cramp? I'm going to a place called Hakuba, which is like a little ski town resort place. I believe they did the Olympics there one year, the Winter Olympics. But I am heading off with my dog, my trusty, lovely son, and we are going to go stay in a little log cabin-y type thing. I pretty much just wanted to get as far away from people as I could. This is my first Christmas without my family in the history of ever, so I just knew I didn't want to be sitting around my apartment loathing. So I booked this little place through booking.com. This is not sponsored. I have 28 subscribers at the moment. But I found it through, I think I actually found it through Airbnb, but then it had me, no, that's a lie. I found it through Google because it's a lot harder to find a place, obviously, that allows dogs. But this place does. It looks really, really cute. So Hakuba is about three or four, what are you doing? He does this like every day, this exact thing. He definitely knows something's going on, like we're going somewhere, I think, so he doesn't really get nervous. Like my last dog used to get like anxiety when he would see suitcases because he knew we were probably leaving. But Juzo usually goes on the trips with me, so he doesn't really get nervous. He just he knows something's up. Juzo, stop. He's so annoying. I'm gonna get on with what I'm talking about. It's about 3 to 4 hours. It depends on what route you take, because technically you're supposed to go to Hakuba Station, but apparently there's only one line that goes directly into Hakuba Station, and it would take me like 5 hours and 20 minutes to get there if I took that way. But if I take this other way, which is go to Nagano Station and then take either a taxi or a bus, it only takes like 3 hours and something, so it's like a huge difference. But we're gonna ride on the Shinkansen, which I know the Shinkansens have been basically empty, especially compared to the everyday 9 to 5 commuter trains. So I'm not really too worried about exposure to anyone. And I'm gonna go snowboarding because that's kind of like family tradition. Ever since I was a wee lad, we would always go snowboarding or skiing. But yeah, it's gonna be exciting because I don't think my dog has ever seen snow. So it's gonna be fun. I hope he likes it. I hope he likes the snow. Most dogs, I think, like the snow. They don't like rain, they don't like water, but they like snow. So I think he'll have a good time. Are you ready to go? Are you ready to go? It's like, yes. Okay, so I'm going to call my taxi and head to Tokyo Station. Bye. We've arrived at Nagano Station, and now I need to take a taxi to Hakuba. I think I'm just going to go directly to the lodge. I was going to go to Hakuba Station and then have them pick me up. That doesn't really make much sense. So it's about an hour taxi ride, and then we're going to be there. One more way to go. One more ride to go. Juzo's ever seen snow, so he's a bit confused, I think. Hey, what is this stuff? What is this weird stuff? So yeah, the journey here was pretty okay, except for the fact that I technically missed the Shinkansen we were supposed to get on, so we had to take the next one, which is okay, but it was just kind of annoying. The drive here was so beautiful. Actually, Hakuba was the site of the, I think it said 1998 Winter Olympics. It's a really large and well-developed area, and it's so beautiful. Like, I've been to many ski resorts, but something about this one is just kind of different, and I like it. There are actually a lot of dogs staying at the place I'm staying at right now. Nighttime. I probably look terrible because I have a day's worth of travel and such on my face, but it's okay. Yeah, so we are checked in. We've been here for a couple hours now. Tomorrow, I think I'm gonna go snowboarding because it's supposed to be sunny tomorrow, and it's actually supposed to be the warmest day tomorrow. So I think I'll wake up and go snowboarding. I'll take my GoPro out. It'll be so much fun, I think. But yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. I don't know how good you guys can hear me because I don't have the windshield on. My eye is watering. The weather today is so freaking beautiful. Honestly, it's a little hot. I'm like sweating in my jacket, and all I have on is this jacket and like a sweater. But oh, and the snow is so good. It's like, there are good sections of powder if you are into powder, and then the rest of the snow, it's not too icy, not too powdery. It is perfect. So I'm at the top. Well, not the top, but pretty close to the top. I look cute, don't I? Hey! It's a very nice day. It's beautiful out. It's very sunny. Quite warm, actually. I am feeling a little bit sweaty standing here. But, oh my gosh, it's amazing. There are like 5 freaking people on this whole mountain. I have the whole thing to myself. It is top tier. Top tier. I'm gonna attempt to film myself snowboarding with this GoPro. I am like sweating right now, no joke. I'm gonna try to film myself snowboarding with this GoPro. I feel like it's gonna be a little weird, like kind of difficult. I've never done it before. So we'll see how it goes.